When it comes to your finances, there is no more important investment than your retirement plan. Creating a plan for your retirement is essential for ensuring financial security later in life. The key to successful retirement planning is to start early, so you can take advantage of the power of compounding returns. In this video, we'll discuss how to create a retirement plan that will secure your future and provide peace of mind. Why retirement planning is important. Retirement is something we all look forward to. The thought of endless days spent traveling, pursuing hobbies, or just spending time with family is often the light at the end of a long career tunnel. But before you get too excited, you need to take a hard look at your finances. Retirement planning is critical because, without a plan, your retirement dreams may never come to fruition. When you start planning early, you have a better chance of building a robust retirement fund, enabling you to retire comfortably. The earlier you begin, the longer you have to take advantage of compounding interests. Waiting until later in life to start planning for your retirement means you will likely have to put away more money, and your retirement goals may become unrealistic. Planning for retirement is essential because you never know what the future may bring. Medical expenses, rising healthcare costs, and unexpected emergencies can take a significant toll on your finances. Having a plan in place means that you will be better equipped to face these situations without compromising your retirement goals. The bottom line is, retirement planning is essential if you want to secure a comfortable future for yourself and your loved ones. Steps to start planning for retirement. Planning for retirement can seem daunting, but taking the first step is crucial to securing your financial future. Here are some steps to help you get started. 1. Calculate your retirement needs. The first step in planning for retirement is to determine how much money you'll need to live on in retirement. Use a retirement calculator to get a rough estimate. 2. Set a retirement goal. Once you have an idea of how much money you'll need, set a retirement goal and create a timeline for achieving it. 3. Evaluate your current savings. Look at how much you have saved already and how much you need to save to reach your retirement goal. Make sure to include all retirement accounts, pensions, and other investments. 4. Create a budget. To increase your savings, it's important to live below your means. Create a budget that factors in your retirement goals and stick to it. 5. Increase retirement savings. Make contributions to your retirement accounts. Increase your contributions if possible, and consider additional investment opportunities. By taking these steps, you can begin to build your nest egg and secure your financial future. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for retirement. How to determine your retirement goals. Retirement planning starts with determining your retirement goals. You need to ask yourself some questions like when you want to retire, how much money you want to have saved, and what kind of lifestyle you want to lead. These questions can help you determine your financial needs during retirement. Once you have a clear idea of what you want to achieve in retirement, you can start setting realistic goals and working towards them. It's important to note that retirement goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Creating SMART goals can help you stay on track and make necessary adjustments as you progress towards your retirement plan. Investment strategies for building your nest egg. One key aspect of retirement planning is choosing the right investment strategy for building your nest egg. A diversified portfolio can help you balance risk and potential returns. It's important to start investing early and make regular contributions to take advantage of compounding interest. You may want to consider a mix of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds to help you reach your retirement goals. Additionally, some retirement accounts offer tax benefits that can help you maximize your savings. Consult with a financial advisor to determine the best investment strategy for your specific retirement needs. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Retirement accounts to consider. One of the most important aspects of retirement planning is choosing the right retirement account to save and invest your money. Some popular options include 401 seconds, individual retirement accounts, and Roth IRAs. With a 401, your contributions are made pre-tax and are often matched by your employer. IRAs, on the other hand, can be traditional or Roth and offer tax advantages depending on your income and eligibility. It's important to consider factors such as taxes, fees, and contribution limits when selecting a retirement account. Consulting with a financial advisor can help you make informed decisions and ensure you're on track to reach your retirement goals. Strategies for maximizing Social Security benefits. Social Security benefits can be a valuable source of income during retirement, but many people do not realize that they can maximize their benefits by employing a few simple strategies. One strategy is to delay taking Social Security until your full retirement age or even beyond. This can increase your benefit amount by as much as 8% per year. Another strategy is to coordinate your benefits with your spouses to ensure you both receive the maximum amount. Additionally, if you continue to work while receiving Social Security benefits, be aware that some of your benefits may be reduced until you reach full retirement age. By understanding these strategies and planning ahead, you can make the most of your Social Security benefits during retirement. How to adjust your retirement plan as you age. As you approach retirement age, it's important to regularly review and adjust your retirement plan. This is because your goals, lifestyle, and financial situation may change as you age. Here are some tips to help you adjust your retirement plan as you age. 1. Review your retirement goals. Assess whether your goals have changed and whether you're on track to meet them. 2. Adjust your investment portfolio. Consider adjusting your investment strategy to be more conservative to reduce the risk of losses. 3. Evaluate your expenses. Determine whether your retirement expenses have increased or decreased and adjust your plan accordingly. 4. Update your retirement accounts. Regularly review and rebalance your retirement accounts to ensure they align with your goals. By adjusting your retirement plan as you age, you can ensure that you're on track to enjoy a comfortable and secure retirement. Common retirement planning mistakes to avoid. Retirement planning is an important task that everyone needs to undertake to ensure financial security in their later years. However, it's important to avoid common retirement planning mistakes that could negatively impact your future. Some common mistakes to avoid include failing to start planning early enough, underestimating your retirement expenses, not diversifying your investments, and withdrawing retirement funds too early. It's also important to avoid overspending and not being aware of taxes and penalties associated with retirement accounts. By being aware of these mistakes and taking steps to avoid them, you can ensure that your retirement plan is on track for a secure future. In conclusion, securing your future through a well-crafted retirement plan is crucial for financial peace of mind. By taking the time to assess your goals, evaluate your current financial situation, and develop a strategic retirement plan, you can pave the way for a comfortable and fulfilling retirement. Remember to prioritize saving and investing, diversify your portfolio, and regularly review and adjust your plan as needed. With dedication and informed decision-making, you can take control of your financial future and create a retirement plan that will provide you with the stability and freedom you deserve. Start today and embark on the journey towards a secure and rewarding retirement.